Hey guys, an update on the garbage PC build. I've been stress testing this thing for about 48 hours and kind of benchmarking it against an AMD processor just to see what it's capable of. And the purpose of these videos is basically to show you what you can do with stuff people throw out, everyday computer parts, with a little bit of extra money. So you can have a decent gaming computer for about $200. And the next video I make is going to be probably one of these games, benchmarking against maybe a bigger GPU intensive game and a bigger computer, maybe this thing, and just see what $200 computer can do against a $3,000 computer in terms of performance. Thanks, I'll see you next time.